Hi everyone, Adam for our Playland. Thought I'd just show you a bouquet that I'm putting together. Using lots of roses, got lovely tulips. So I'm just quickly cleaning everything, just to make sure it's easy to work with. Got some lovely dahlias, a few chrysanthemums. Just pretty much want to make sure they're all naked so we can just use them with ease and we'll put them into the bouquet. Starting off with a nice piece of viburnum. I think it will just give us a lovely shape. And then I'm going to just slowly fill it one side and then the next side. And slowly our form will come together. Guess something like that's our starting point. Then we can just use the shorter viburnum pieces just to round it out. Just give us a bit of volume. And then sort of what I want to do now is just fill in the gaps. And then we can sort of work on the form a little bit later. We'll use all the foliage just so everything can sort of attach itself and not move too much. We don't have to hold it too tight. Another trick I like to do is when foliage is sort of fall into a side, we can just slip the rose under and that'll just hold it in place. When I'm using more than one rose, I like to group them, a little three. Got some lovely dahlias, just add a bit of white. Just going to use one more viburnum at the back just to back it off a bit. Slowly coming together. I have to get a bit more foliage just to make it look a bit bigger, but we're slowly getting there now. So I'm going to take that rose out. It's taking on a bit more of a rounded form, just because of the size of the roses and the size of the material. So I'm just going to add a bit more greenery, and we're now just going to spiral it. And we'll be able just to sit our dahlias just on top. Now we can just play with the sides. And I think we'll just add a bit more greenery. And that'll really round it out. Just slowly coming along. Lovely colour. And then I think we'll just group a few. I'm going to mix a bit of white. And last red rose. So I might just grab a bit more foliage, just put it around the outskirts, just to make it seem a little bit bigger. Cut off any foliage that we don't need that aren't the right height. If there's any gaps, good time now just to replace a few flowers. So each angle, I guess, is a little bit different, but everyone has its unique moments. Decided just to use a bit of eucalyptus, just give it a bit more texture. I'm just slowly easing it, just to make it a bit wider. We don't want anything too tight. A bit tight now, but once we tie it up, we'll be able to, it's got room to loosen. Anyone else do one-handed cleaning greenery? Usually have it all prepared. Sometimes spur of the moment. Go, that's what that needs. Okay. I think we're there, ready to tie it off. That's how my stems look, if anyone is interested. Then with the wrapping, we can just exaggerate it a little bit more. I guess that would be the front for me. Just getting the paper ready. I like to make little mountains, and then I always start with a short piece. And then I just layer over the top of each other. Use a little bit of tape. gone with the black just to give it a bit of texture. I was hoping it would pop out all the colours.